Welcome to Kitco News. I'm Niels Christensen. We're here in beautiful Dawson City, Yukon. We're here at the Yukon Mining Investors Conference, and I'm joined by Matt Turner, CEO of Rockhaven Resources. Thank you very much for being on the show.
Thank you, Niels. Thanks for coming up.
You're one of the properties we actually haven't visited, but we've heard a lot of interesting things about your project. Maybe you can just give us the bullet points.
Yeah, for sure, Niels. And thanks for making the effort to come up here. It's been lots of fun the last few days. But yeah, so I think what's kind of unique about our story is that we've got nice high grade, over 4 gram material, and we've got over 1 million ounces now. So it's we've done a really good job expanding the resource over the last number of years. And I think furthermore too, it's road accessible, so it's kind of unique.
From Dawson City, is it?
You could drive, yeah, but we're actually closer to Whitehorse, to the capital.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, so we're only about maybe 3.25 hours drive from the capital.
So one of the challenges, that I've heard is financing.
Definitely. Yeah.
You need you need to raise some capital.
Exactly.
What's the environment like? I mean, obviously, it's an interesting story. People are talking about it at this conference.
For sure.
And yet, is it a struggle? I mean,
it's challenging for sure, no question about it. I think one of the most challenging things too is where the markets have gone, where the share prices have gone with these companies, including Rockhaven, and how much dilution we want to take at those levels, right? So yeah, the best projects, the best companies will be able to find the money. The question is at what price too. So how much you dilute shareholders.
Is it so? I was here 3 years ago. I'm back, baby.
Yep. That was my comment. At PDAC 2016, which I was kind of right for about 6 months. So,
the Yukon was off the radar 3 years ago, and yeah. When you say you're a project in the Yukon, is that an easier sell? Are people paying more attention?
Yeah, I think they are. Like from me making that statement in March 2016, I think it was only a few months later that Goldcorp came in and took out Kaminak, I believe. And since then, we've seen Agnico come in, we've seen Newmont come in, we've seen Coeur obviously come in to our deal. They're in at 9.9% shareholders in Rockhaven. And Kinross was already in before. And Barrick's in actually too with one of our sister companies in our office, Attack Resources. So yeah, in the span of really just a couple of years, we've had some of the biggest mining companies come into this jurisdiction. So I think it's a great endorsement for the jurisdiction. It's safe, it's easy to get to. It's it's only a couple-hour flight from Vancouver. A lot of exploration teams for these bigger companies are based in Vancouver. So it's there's just a lot of really good things going for this jurisdiction.
So what's it going to take to get investor capital back? Is it simply the gold price?
I think that definitely plays into it. I think continued exploration success, which a lot of the companies in Yukon are showing. I think kind of a combination of both will really help us, but the market will catch up to us.
The market will come back.
The market will come back. It's got to. It's got to come back, baby. No, it's got to. And it's all a matter of kind of having that, walking that fine line of being patient, yet being aggressive enough to keep moving your project forward in everyone's mind.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nils.
For your time. Thank you for watching Kitco News, and stay tuned for more coverage from beautiful Dawson City.